I am entering the kitchen. I am entering the kitchen. I am washing the vegetables. I am washing the vegetables. I am cutting the vegetables. I am cutting the vegetables. I am turning on the gas. I am turning on the gas.
Welcome to Knowledge Walla.
I am entering the kitchen. I am entering the kitchen. I am opening the refrigerator. I am opening the refrigerator. I am taking vegetables from the refrigerator. I am taking vegetables from the refrigerator. I am washing the vegetables. I am washing the vegetables. I am cutting the vegetables. I am cutting the vegetables. I am turning on the gas stove. I am turning on the gas stove. I am putting the pan on the stove. I am putting the pan on the stove. I am adding oil to the pan. I am adding oil to the pan. I am adding vegetables to the pan. I am adding vegetables to the pan. I am stirring the food. I am stirring the food. I am adding salt. I am adding salt. I am covering the pan. I am covering the pan. I am checking the food. I am checking the food. I am serving the food. I am serving the food. I am placing the plate on the table. I am placing the plate on the table. I am pouring tea. I am pouring tea. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. I am cleaning the counter. I am cleaning the counter. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am turning off the gas stove. I am turning off the gas stove. I am taking a bowl from the cabinet. I am taking a bowl from the cabinet. I am placing the bowl on the counter. I am placing the bowl on the counter. I am cracking eggs into the bowl. I am cracking eggs into the bowl. I am whisking the eggs. I am whisking the eggs. I am opening the spice jar. I am opening the spice jar. I am sprinkling spices. I am sprinkling spices. I am pouring the mixture into the pan. I am pouring the mixture into the pan. I am flipping the food in the pan. I am flipping the food in the pan. I am opening the drawer. I am opening the drawer. I am slicing a tomato. I am slicing a tomato. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. I am adding cheese to the food. I am adding cheese to the food. I am opening the bread packet. I am opening the bread packet. I am taking bread slices. I am taking bread slices. I am putting bread in the toaster. I am putting bread in the toaster. I am pressing the toaster button. I am pressing the toaster button. I am taking the toast out. I am taking the toast out. I am spreading jam on the toast. I am spreading jam on the toast. I am placing the toast on the plate. I am placing the toast on the plate. I am sitting at the table. I am sitting at the table. I am sitting at the table. I am sitting at the table.
Goodbye friend, we will meet again. Please like subscribe to my channel.